ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಮನೇಲಿ ನೀವು ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಓದು ಬರಹ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ತಾರೆ ಫುಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರಾಗಿ ಸ್ವತಃ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವೇನೋ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಫುಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಇದರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಫುಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೀಚ್ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೊರತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
We need your help to multiply the effect. We are doing our best. We would request you to help that. So I'll just give one example in this. Okay, we all eat bhaji, bonda, all of those, right? And we happily eat in the newspaper, right? When it's served in newspaper, how many of us as a consumer we go and ask them, say, I don't want the newspaper, I'm okay to pay you 2 rupees extra for giving me a brown paper, something which is safe for me. As a consumer also, we have to start demanding so that the practices change. We can't say that they are not doing, they are doing, but we also have to be aware, we also have to demand, right? As food safety works, we are just trying to inculcate that culture so that people around also understand what is food safety. How can we make that awareness happen, right? Our motive is saying that everybody should be aware. Today when we go and ask people, say, what do you check on the label? They just say expiry date. There's like 16 things which are there on the label. The ingredients say you something, the nutritional information say you something, right? So we have to be aware as a consumer because we are buying that product. Seller is selling, but we all have to collectively put that effort. We have to multiply that effort so that we can create a surrounding where the food is safe for everyone to consume. This is our small effort of doing a conclave. We invite all of you to come, speak to the people out there, capture the event, and maybe next year we do it thrice. What we are doing here today, right? So yeah, thank you.
Researchers together to share knowledge about food safety. Please do register for the event. It is happening on 21st. We have a lot of learning. We are going to talk about food safety culture, how we can build a culture of food safety, what are the testing methodologies, how we can do better testing of our products, especially pesticide residues, and also how we can adopt technology. We also have a segment on technology. We are doing a small award ceremony where we are going to recognize some of the businesses, small businesses, who are focusing on food safety. So we look forward to seeing you there.
So we have got chief guest.
We have our chief guest, Mr. Dinesh Gundu Rao, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, who is our chief guest. He'll be inaugurating the event. And the Commissioner FSSAI, Mr. Srinivas K, will be joining us as well. The keynote will be delivered by CEO of Wakefield, Mr. D.P. Sachdeva.
And also we have got very distinguished speakers from the industry and the academy.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.